Hello everyone, it is that time of year to get going on our gift wrapping. I know we do it all year round, but this is where we have that concentrated time to do gift wrapping. So I really wanted to do a collection of videos for all of you and go step by step on all my tips and tricks that I've learned over the years on how to wrap that perfect gift, and also how to get over being afraid of that gift wrap and that tape and those scissors, because I know sometimes it can be a little bit intimidating. I've broken gift wrapping down into 3 steps on how to take just a plain wrapped gift and make it really gorgeous. And you know, even if you're not a crafty person, you do these 3 steps and you're going to surprise some people in your lives at how creative you really can be. So step 1 is about wrapping the gift, getting that paper over the gift. And not only will I show you how to make the perfect gift wrap so you look like you took it to a professional, but I'll give you some other tips and tricks on how to make your own gift bags and even your own cute little boxes. One of my favorite songs has the line, "Brown paper packages tied up with strings," and I have to say that when I'm doing gift wrapping, the song kind of plays through my head, and I feel like this is a really important step to get that professional creative look, is that you have to take some way to tie your gift up so that it looks treasured and ready to give to someone. And I'll show you different ways to use ribbons, we use twines, we even use washi tape and some yarn. There's so many different varieties, and this is just a start. Step 3 of gorgeous gift wrapping is my favorite, because this is where you can get really creative. It can be something as simple as clipping a piece of conifer greenery and tucking that in, or making a paper flower that you can add on top, or even adding this beautiful felt ornament onto the top of your gift. There's really no end to what you can do with your gift toppers, and I'll show you a few of my favorites and hopefully get your creative juices going so that you can do something that's really personal for the person that you're giving it to. So I have taken all 3 of these steps and I've broken them down into bite-sized videos where I can show you exactly all of my steps to creating these gorgeous gifts. All you need to do is click the link below and it will take you over to the free series, which is at our Craft Academy. So we'll see you there.